In this lesson, I'm gonna focus on how the trees illuminated our scene just like that. Again, I will explain on crop scene. As you can see, I have a group object adding V-Ray 4. I adjust V-Ray infinite plane 1 cm below the tree surface because I don't want overlapping that surface. I will illuminate the trees with spotlight. Let's add light. While to first click it, light will stay under the tree surface. I'm gonna flip the light component. Move it up a bit. I can adjust the light direction with the move tool. Copy it and array with rotate tool. One more copy and array from center trunk. I adjust with the rotate tool again. This method will illuminate the tree from 3 directions. Let's select all the lights and copy it under the other trees. Activating interactive render. See the result. Meanwhile, V-Ray Sun is not active. The scene will illuminate only background. Move a little bit frame buffer window. Choose the watt inside the unit lists. As you can see, light started to illuminate. I make the color slightly yellowish. I'm gonna change cone angle value. I make the light value 30. Check the smooth cubic. I leave these settings as it is. For soft shadows, I set the shadow radius to 2. Move little bit the lights to over the V-Ray for grass. 7 cm, that's all. This lit up the trunk a little more. Let's get a full rendering. First, let's lift this light up a little bit. I'm gonna close that window. I adjust my camera 2-point perspective and deactivated interactive render. Let's get a rendering and see the result. When it comes to my test renders, tree seems too dark. After trying the other V-Ray lights, I decided this was the best. I'm gonna pause my recording. Render is done. As you can see, with the spotlights, the trees became more visible. Let me show you a test render about that. Renders are saved history. The first rendering has no spotlight. The other one has. This way you can better understand the difference. I hope this lesson will help you and your render will be more realistic. See you next lesson.